What do you do, or when do you scale that budget? Same thing of when you initially pick the budget. You're going to scale that budget by a couple metrics. One, you can take a percentage of your sales and immediately dump it back into your advertising. That's very tough for some people because it's a large amount. Say for instance, if you sell a $300,000 home, you're gonna make $9,000 off of that. The rule says invest 20% of your profits back into your marketing and advertising. I don't think most people are gonna wanna invest $1,800 right back into it, but that sure is a surefire way to scale your business quickly and immediately. So that's something you can do. If you want to use that metric of 20% off of any proceeds, dump it back into your advertising and keep going forward. And you can do that each sale, or you can do it each month, whatever you want to do. Just remember, as a real estate agent, all this stuff is tax deductible. So just either get a CPA or use it for write-offs. It's just reinvesting back into your business. So don't look at it as wasting money. Look at it as business and money that you're going to make off of it, because it is not an expense when you spend this money. You're gonna make 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times as much off of the money that you invest. So the more that you invest, the more that you're going to make if you do it consistently and follow up with it. It's just proven. All you have to do is just build that momentum. So that's one way, the 20% rule. The other way is you can slowly scale your budget to your comfort level. Sorry, the little one's acting crazy. So you can slowly scale it to your comfort level. Say for instance, if you start out at $200 or $300 a month and you want to scale that up to $500. Even though you're making a ton of money, you have that consistency, because all things go up and then they go back down. So real estate can go up and go down, but if you have something that's steady and consistent, then you won't have to sit there and dump $1,200 at it at one time or $2,000 at one time, and then you pull it all back when the market slows down, and then your budget for your advertising goes completely down because you're spending nothing because you're conserving all cash. That's how you get that roller coaster effect, and it's just up and down and up and down. You don't want that. Stay consistent with your marketing and advertising. So there's two ways to do it. The 20% rule, or the consistency to where you're slowly adding to your actual marketing budget. Increase it slowly to your comfort level to where you can make sure that you're going to stick with it for 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 12 months. You got to stay consistent with it, because the last thing that you're actually going to get is results from inconsistent advertising. You're not going to be able to just advertise for a month or two, shut it off for a month or two, and then turn it back on and expect all these things to come. It doesn't work that way. This stuff compounds. So you have to keep advertising consistently. So that's how to scale your budget.